I've always wondered what it would be like to live in another country. While we're on this adventure, we're gonna be talking a little bit about what it's like to live in France. So yeah, if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. After living here for just over 6 months now, I can tell you that living here has definitely changed who I am as a person completely. I think it makes it a lot more special and meaningful that I'm able to share it with people all around the world. And so yeah, it makes me feel content and it makes me enjoy it a lot much more. Because otherwise I'm just going around seeing pretty places. And what does that actually mean? You know what I mean? Welcome. As many of you know, I spent 7 months living in France. During that time, I went to a French public school, I was on a French running club, and I filmed videos of all my experiences and trips that I went on. I was exposed to many incredible things. That's something that's really unique to traveling abroad. You see different ways of life, which can really change your view on the world. The culture has shaped me, and my views around life have just opened and expanded. The way I think about things, the way I'm just going about life now has been shaped by seeing what it's like to live in another culture and seeing the other ways of life. That's one of the most amazing things about living in another country, because you're constantly a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit outside of your comfort zone, and you're always growing and learning and maturing as a person. One of the scariest things about living at home is that you get stuck in your habitual activities and everything is normal and you're not forced to be outside of your comfort zone and you aren't forced to grow as a person. And that's a scary thing for me because I always want to be evolving and improving myself, and I think that's something that I was very fortunate to have and something that I want to try to share with as many of you as I can. So when Magellan, a study abroad company who's been making trips for thousands of teens for I think since 2006, reached out to the idea to kind of recreate some of the experiences and trips that I went on when I was living in France for my subscribers, I was ecstatic. So with the help of my mom, a French professor at Duke University who's been doing study abroad trips for over 20 years, as well as Magellan who's been doing trips since 2006, and with the input of me, from things that I think would be the most fun and the most valuable, yeah, we all kind of worked together to create the perfect balance of getting outside of your comfort zone, being immersed in French culture, having fun, seeing awesome things, and just kind of making the most fun study abroad trip for a teen with learning at the same time, so that you're not just sightseeing, looking at things, seeing the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, Paris, beautiful things, and then coming home and not taking anything away from that. We want to get into the culture. We'll be taking a cooking class, I believe. We're gonna be, I'm so pumped for this. Let me just read off some of the highlights I think are gonna be really fun. We're gonna be going to the top of the Eiffel Tower, which is exciting, and we'll take photos up there. That'll just be awesome. And then after that, we're gonna be vintage thrift shopping around Paris. I did that when I was there. Yeah. Good morning from Paris. So we'll be doing that. We'll be visiting Aix where I lived. We're gonna be hiking through Les Calanques aussi. We'll be going to Nice, and at some point we will be visiting a French school. As the title to this video, no, I wasn't lying. I am going back to French school, hopefully with you guys. A lot of the things that we're gonna be doing on this trip are what you've seen in my videos, because those are the things that I had the most fun doing, as well as the things I got the most out of. On the trip, it's not just gonna be me directing you guys around. There's a group director who's been doing trips for I think close to 20 years, as well as supervisors who are adults, both male and female, to help kind of keep the group together and organize us. I'll essentially just be going along with you guys as a regular kind of kid would and filming the thing and just having fun with you guys. And also, since safety is a huge priority, we want to make sure that you guys feel as comfortable as possible. Magellan offers people to accommodate you on your flight so that you aren't flying alone if your parents are worried about that. The link to their website will also be in the description. So yeah, I am going back to French school with you guys to film another video there, and as well as many other videos that we'll be filming throughout the trip. And I really look forward to going with you guys and just experiencing the beautiful, amazing France. We have a website, and that should have all the information you need. If not, make sure to contact Magellan or me if you have any questions. This will be a trip of a lifetime and just an awesome way to set off your summer and your adolescence. Also, since it's getting close to Christmas, this is the perfect present to ask for, to go on with a friend or two, or even more friends, or maybe even your French class if you're close with them. or to get closer with them. Oh yeah, and wait, one last thing. Have a good day, go make someone smile, look at things with hopefully an optimistic perspective. I'll see you guys in Perspectopia. Peace. I was like, wow.